Yeah guys, it's me again to help you. Today I'm going to show you how to enable your mic so-called microphone, if it's disabled. How to enable it, so do watch the full video. You can see there isn't any audio in my OBS. Now go to Windows Search, and search Device Manager.
It disabled just because you mistakenly clicked it.
Now click on the Output and Input section up there and right-click to Microphone. You can see mine is enabled. So you haven't enabled it, then do so. If your microphone is enabled, still it's not showing, then there is also a setting you haven't enabled. So let's not waste time, check it out. Now go to Setting, then Privacy. You can see microphone down there. Go to microphone and check if it's enabled or not. If not, then do enable it. Now that you can see the microphone is working in the OBS, yeah, your mic is enabled now, and do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more help content. Bye.
Thanks for watching.